If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
One puppy that I know some I represent for Richard Brown Films. And people remember, if I first watch your channel, make sure to say subscribe, like, share, comment, and tell a friend about Richard Brown Films. Because remember, so we are doing right over the channel. Big up on yourself and watch your movie. And remember, Richard Brown Films and Color and Book TV, one link out there.
Then I pull the stars off of the ceiling. Take your postcard off of the bathroom window. And I try my best not to read what you wrote. Hey, all of my past into the trash it goes. But memories last and I just don't know. How do I let you go? I don't know. How do I let you go? I don't know. Like a ghost inside my soul, you are there when I'm alone. Oh, I try to forget you, but I just don't know how to let you go. You go. Looking through the books and the notes and photos, it's so hard to say what to keep and what goes. And after all the things that we done and been through, I can't help but think what we'll never get to. No, all of my past into the trash it goes. But memories last and I just don't know. How do I let you go? I don't know.
Wow, go on, my dad. Say, alright?
Hello.
Hi. Wilbert, what happened? Long time I don't see you.
So me want
Me there, I'm glad to see you. You and Wilbert look good together though.
mommy.
No,
bother with the
no,
foolishness,
nobody
man.
said that. Because you know, say true. You and Wilbert look good together. Him always take care of you. I mean, like how he treat you. He ever carry you out and look how he make you look nice.
Mommy, you know say me work, you know say me and Alberta just friend. We just married before. And that even want hear, you know.
Just
that even
friend.
want hear.
Well, this look like it could have
And you know
been
say me have my boyfriend already.
more than friend, eh?
So you say me can't take care of myself and Alberta take care of me.
No, I did not say that. I'm just saying you look good together and him always treat you right. You don't understand what I mean?
Stop saying that me Wilbert here because of that team want to trigger or
But
something,
him
you know.
done here at show. My son-in-law,
Jesus Christ.
welcome again. Yes.
What
nice
kind of
meeting
mother
you.
me have?
No man, him could have be a good son-in-law. I like how him stay.
If me didn't know say this, me don't come up here to me not come up here, you know.
I want where they talk about me know say you have your boyfriend already. What that mean? That the boy there? Where name again? Me can't where my name again?
Stop going to Rodney, mommy. You well know so I say name. I say gone bad.
The name alone me hate. I mean not like that boy there. You know why? Him don't dress good. He don't like work. And in the up and down everywhere. On road and the plaza. Every plaza you go you see him. Be smoking and drinking. As he see one friend they pass, beg you cliff now. You can't give me a bills. I them and they want. Watch out, Wilbert a good boy.
I call up here for lecture me you want to see me actually.
I want to see you know say I love you already.
Jesus
but me just encourage
Christ.
you to make you know say Wilbert would be a good son-in-law for
Even
me.
though you are my mother, you know, you can't make choices for me, you know.
I know.
Your uncle can't advise
But
your opinion.
sometime Even though you are my daughter, sometimes we don't make the wrong choice, you know, so you better we choose for you sometimes too. You understand?
So what you try to say? The right person in my eye, but me blind
Right
to
in
it.
your eye and you don't even acknowledge the right person. Yes, man. I Rodney. Hey, you hear the name? I'm Mussing grandfather telling him mother to call him so.
That's why I have to rate it, Miss Beatrice. But anyway, Samantha, I go up on the road go deal with something. So call me when you're ready.
Aye.
All right, my son-in-law. Next time when they come, you
Yeah,
call me
that.
and make me cook and let you know.
Alright.
Yes.
Mommy, you love embarrass me so.
You know me not embarrass you. You know me love you already as my daughter. Me just a look out for you and I want you go up on the right track.
It's alright. I not no food.
Yes, look inside.
3 9s! Don't know if fully done, cinnamon. Hey! Oh there! Oh there. My girl, come here to me, no, man. I'm here.
See, you know, see my mother, what kind of Audi?
Mommy, alright. Come on, man. I'm
What
here.
kind of style that you know, see my mother, you can't have respect?
My girl. Come on, my girl.
You can't do that in front of my mother.
Give me a say. Look how long man I call your phone, girl.
I'm not tell you something, I come look for my mother. What kind of style is?
You tell me say I come look for your mother, but you never tell me say I come there so long. Eh?
Sweet way I on me though, for my last.
So you don't know say every 15 minutes I'm supposed to check in and know say yo. Let me know say yo, you're good.
I can't believe that all in front of my mother, you behave so.
Just stop talk to me, man. Stop talk to me. Give me a say, you know the money for you.
Me only have 5 grand if you pay me for go back.
Give me it.
So me go walk go home. So how am I going to reach out?
Call Fat Boy Wilbert to come for you, man. When me I call your phone, make sure you say answer, you know. Come on, man. Come on.
Man.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Come. Hug me up. Hug me up, no girl. I say you want your mother to be alive.
Now you come and say with your foolishness.
Alright, go on. Go on.
Samantha, come here. Come here, come here. What kind of man that you're bringing in my yard?
What do you mean, Rick?
Him not have no brought up, see. You look like a drag fiend parent, drag him up. He just come in at the yard. What kind of Audi that day? I saw somebody say hello, hi, or morning, or whatever. And he just take your haul, you carry your gun around this one. What kind of conversation you and him did that one?
Mommy, I probably throw your face, they look making divorce.
My face ever stay so. And he going forever stay so anytime he see him, because I don't like him.
Him just did in the area and him never they hold this man and him say I come look for me. Nothing else.
So he just go and look for you so.
Yes.
And carry around this and just make you come back around. Just
So
so.
we did a talk about some when we are go shopping for the house.
Something not important to your life. Not true.
Mommy, nothing never happened, just to tell me about the house.
I can't say one little idiot you really care coming at me yard enough to come there with. Listen to me. Them the kind of man that we don't know if you approach your parents. Do not make them come back here. You understand? Make them come back here, so. You hear what me say?
Okay, mommy.
Okay, go on.
Where you go?
So forward, man. You know the money for you.
Huh?
You know the money for you.
I don't have money for me. The money I have upon me card it though.
So just give me a card, my music.
No, I'm not giving them a card.
So I can't be able to say if I do my card, me get it. When you be able to?
Yeah, me can't give me card, B. Me cannot give him a card. So just if drop that, cause me not give him a card. What you even a God road go do? Every night that God send me, you gone left me. You can't chill with me a little bit. When last you spend some quality time with me? It's all about road. What is your road?
What do you mean, man? I'm a friend, them. I go out there so go link and have a drink.
So me not
I'm say me
more
sleep.
important than your friend them.
Babes, I sleep with her every night. Every night I sleep with her. You me sleep with her when night time come. So yeah, be yourself for.
So, me can't talk so me need some quality time with my man?
Babes, look from day me there.
You not pay me no money up on your phone from there.
Just give me the little money, man. And make
I
me.
don't have no money for me, I'm not give me card. If you are up and if I'm going to give me card, let's say bring me on the road with you.
Bring up on the road for what? Where you want to come on the road for?
You never want to go out with me. Like that makes sense? Why me cannot come with you? What you
Yo,
gonna do?
just relax, man, and ease yourself. What you mean? Where you want to come on the road for? Eh?
What you mean?
You're not work tomorrow.
So, as long as you gonna stay on the road, me can't come back and go get one too.
Yeah, man, I say, stop move booming, man. Where you go on the road? Where you come on the road, Bob? Ease yourself and relax yourself, man.
I tell you to stop with that.
So stop stress me out now, girl. And give me a card when I'm going about business. Me so come. What I'm tell you?
So this elite. I really start to believe what people are talking road, you know.
What people are talking road?
But you and other girl.
People out the road that tell about other girl.
Yes, I'm start to believe it. Because every time you're gone the road and you now come back and you abuse me more than what you usually abuse me.
Yeah, I'm telling you this. Look for me, good.
Sorry.
Look for me when me a chat to you.
Sorry.
Look for me, nobody look. Oi. Yes, when I go out,
Yeah.
I go out. Yes, when I come in, I come in.
Yeah.
Yes, when I come in again,
Mm-hmm.
if you're naked. Me tell us me I go up on the road, me I go with my friend them. What kind of come you want to come on the road with? Eh? At night now, anything can happen. You're supposed to stay in the house. Look for me when me I chat to you. Look for me, good. Look for me when me I chat to you. And wipe off your face. And give me a card to man and stop with the foolishness. So I'm telling you. Sometimes I don't like it, you know, girl. I don't even like to see it, you know. You don't even know. Or if a strong heart, me have to deal with them more. Shut up, man. What I'm telling you. Tap your eyes. I'm finished. Pack up the clothes then. Sure.
Yo, man, I tell you, say, other night when I touch on the party then, I tell you, say, it's a good vibes, you know.
Yeah, me, man. You know, this is the thing I have to reach, bro. Hello? No. She don't have fear spot, but she soon forward. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, man. Me have to go for you, man, and pick him up. Alright? Yeah. Just make sure you're ready. Yeah? Alright, cool. Yeah, that's the
Yo,
boy.
it's easy.
You have to know if you do thinking that, bro.
So, yo, me get you other friend.
Brother, I'm gonna tell you this. You see, me can make she like you, you know. So if me and she there want spot in forward, you have to try put in a word to yourself. I know some things work like you
No,
feel
no,
like.
me know me could have get chose, you know, but I'm not sure she not really my main focus, you me? You know who am my main focus already?
How could I hold that?
No, Samantha.
Jeez, I'm pity much. Bro, read the code now, man. Get the message straight now, man.
Hold on. Hello? You know, some day I do with my bridge and I go and drink some rum. So you sound, sir? Alright, me a forward. Give me a few. Me a forward.
Yo, give me my room, man. Give me my room, man.
Yo, but that kind of style that.
What you mean, so what kind of style that, brother? Yo, me that whole of vibes. Me can't spend my money on whole of vibes, a virgin like a you. Eh?
No,
A clown thing in the pan, bro.
I don't know clone thing, but something happened to her, so me have to assist her.
Assist her for what?
You know, say she one of my number one, even though she have her man, you know.
You ever service her yet? Eh?
No, me never serve.
So what you mean assist her? Like, yo, brother, step away, man. And you kill my
She and
vibe.
her man in a problem, so me I go just see if me can solve the case. Cause you know, so me always do the fear.
You kill my vibes.
Yo, me I come check your back, look, man. You my father.
No, sir.
Anything we I drink, me I fall out.
When you come in and talk, you not really so much what going on with you.
Woman, man. Be a thing she a go on with, you know, man.
Talking about woman, I never think you'd be able to come out tonight based on what go on.
Every time man for come on road, I'd be a foolish she should try if it start up.
So she try stuff here tonight?
Me have to tell her something, friend them, me I go up on the road there and she will tell me what road. Yeah, but too much of that still now, where I go on?
Well, like, when they ask for the money, I think you give me that already.
I have it, man. But I probably have to call my for me. I'm carry going in town and go to the ATM and thing.
That me not like you there, you know. Why you never just stop at the ATM then you bring your money come? Then for them on the road up and down together. That's why you wanna hear things, you know. That's why you wanna hear things because you not think.
Yeah, man, sir. I won't forget ATM. I mean, I have to pass this, I forgot something.
Yeah, but you could have ghost. So you want me to walk up and down in the town? Then people go back to her and then you're not at night again and then me can go see you?
So what you know, man? Make sure I can come pick you up or something. I'll go and Smith for you and come back.
And if I'm probably in a year, man, a year, and I go in a back and forth. And I tell us if we left our all, you suggested leaving our all long. And I know what will back.
I just time, man. I'm patient, man.
Is it that you don't want to? You think you want to?
Yeah,
Because when I understand why you can't live for all no want to me.
yeah, well, I mean, can't just get up and just do that so she not do me nothing.
Yes, like she make you uncomfortable. What do you mean? Every minute you not fight, you happy? Tell me the truth.
Alright. Honestly, that's when I'm there around you. I feel different.
Exactly. You see, we make you happier, right? Right?
Yes, dear.
So put her aside.
Yeah, man, so I'm just call make sure I make income, carry going night town and you get the money. But yeah, we had to choose it.
No, you get free
Alright.
in the evening.
In the evening. Alright, yo. You know, one little place in a suburb, you can go have a good time, you know.
Okay.
So you can just meet around there. I don't know if you know down on Water Commission Road, there, family court there. There's a little guest house, like the upstairs guest house.
I don't know, but we will find it. We will find it.
Alright. But you go do.
Jim already just you the money when you want.
Come on, go out, so get a taxi or something.
What you mean taxi? You better call the friend because you not make your woman come pop off my neck.
Manta. Manta. Samantha, talk to me now.
Tired of the life, yeah. I'm tired of it. You can't,
You not make no changes.
you
Yeah,
can't
move on.
imagine him beat me up on my card.
Who does that?
I don't know what to do.
Saying gone with the card?
Yes, because I refuse to give me card. And I tell him some people are ready to tell me things. He beat me up and take me card and
Samantha,
gone.
you're not listening, you know. Me talk to you about this situation here over and over. Me tell you say that the youth they don't mean you no good. Eh? I saw him show love for beat you. And just because you find out the truth, I beat you up. You need to come out of the relationship, man. You can't stay in something abusive.
The Father God will me ever do.
You go make love damage you.
Remember, this is not about you. I tell you to stop make this
Me
be
not
about
talk
you.
about that, Samantha. But me just say if you go make love, make you get hurt. You can't stay in this relationship, yeah.
It's not always like this. You don't know
No,
it's never like this.
No, sister, man. What you mean it's not like this?
He never behave like this. He never behave
He's
like
always a first to everything. So from in showing true colors one time, he ain't gonna do it again. Take your card and gone because you talk to me the truth. Samantha, look here. You see the youth there? He don't love you like how me love you. I me just want you to calm down. Look for me, I talk to you. But you know so me I go always there with you. Through thick and thin. Maybe tomorrow, I'm going to get burger for your lunch here when I'm going to work. Cheer up, man. Now. Stop fret up yourself and worry about that, man. Stop stress over something we not good.
It's alright. It's alright. I'm going to left him.
You sure?
Yeah, I make up my mind. I'm going to left him.
Yeah, man. It's a great idea that. But just go and go relax on something and try to free your mind, man. I know you might come back tonight.
No, tonight me I left him. Say I'm going to take my stuff and I leave.
Yeah, me help you pack them up.
No, man, it's alright. I already put you under too much. So you can't see yourself. Maybe talk to your man.
You sure? If anything you call me, you know, Samantha, me keep you company, you know.
Yeah, man.
Here? Take it easy. Just know some day and love you, here?
Alright.
Later.
Yo, the cook.
No.
Yo, I can put this on here for me. I know, sir. For another day, I'm going to tell her sorry, you know. I'll never get the chance to tell her sorry. I'm sorry.
You're sorry can't stay everything good man.
I mean, no, you're not get what me I say. I know what I do wrong, you know. You get what I say?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I do wrong. I should
So
have.
why you did you never know say wrong in the first place?
Man, I just eat at the moment, man, and the temper I have, man. But, sorry about that.
But you say you love somebody but every day you get up and abuse them.
Babes are not abuse.
But that, I don't love that.
So you're trying to say I don't love
No, because you not love somebody and abuse them.
you? Listen to me, just don't push it, man. Don't push it. Me come here, so me come to apologize to you, and it's come like a problem. You like problem?
Since as me a cause problem then I'm not all in your ear. Cause me a cause problem.
Babe, look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. As a man, me just it's stress out.
I'm going to take your apology now. I'm going to take it. I forgive you.
Say forgive me.
Mm-hmm.
So we can make something go on tonight. Cause from when it's just spicy for me, you know. It's like y'all forget how to make love to me. It's just spicy.
Because you throw me off the way you want me to do.
I never know intentional, babes. I never know intentional. I don't know. Me and man in a man, and we trying to deal with things differently.
You promise you're not going to do it again? What you think about it?
You just realize that who you be. Your head easy for chip, and for me head worse and mad.
You don't need to think about that. Because you apologize, so obviously you're sorry for what you do.
Yes, I'm sorry, babes. Yes, I'm sorry. Come get a little foot, bro.
No, no, friend, you man. You can cook?
So hungry, make you look so.
Yes, I'm
You
hungry.
should know, you know, man. Cause only when you're hungry, your face looks so, you know.
So you go cook?
What you want?
Some corned beef and rice.
Can't be.
Mm-hmm.
Simple thing that.
Okay.
Just go and drink some rum and thing to get in there, you know.
Okay.
You know, so the bank just called me a while ago.
Who?
The bank.
Oh, I'm gonna think you pay off the loan already.
I pay some money for the man, but then still tell me say, I still have arrears for the and one bag of foolishness.
I don't understand. So, where you go? How much money you owe them, by the way?
More than 117,000.
And there is no way you know that? You know say you not owe them?
I don't have no money. I even have priests who don't want to get the money from. We just go pay them. Until when we get it back, we just get it back.
Me, the only money we have are in my account, and me that save it from to give my mother because she called me the other day and cry. She said tired for be outside. So me I save up little money for help her to build up one little bathroom on the house.
Yeah, the mother done do it for your time already.
What you
Man.
mean? My mother come first, you know?
Yeah, no, but just give me money, man. I'm just give you something. No?
Me gonna get it back?
You go get it back. Man.
When?
You go get it back. Me tell you say you go get it back. You go get it back. Just relax, son. And just give me money, man.
It's alright, it's alright. I'm going to send it to your account because I don't have no cash for me.
Send it out because when I come out the Wi-Fi, I don't can.
My phone in the room and try to run it down. You can't wait? And make sure I get what I want because I don't know what I'm to you.
Let's cut out the foolishness, man, and go on,
I
man.
say make sure I get back my money and that me I defend because
You,
I'm something I see you for.
you go get back your money. I tell you say I don't have bank now.
Yeah, I got bank now. The money that you will transfer to your account.
So just go on, man. You love get chatting, so girl. Go on, man. You love, you get too much chatting, man. Yeah, now look at taxi and now jump on a taxi and now. So just meet me on a water commission on so for family court road so. Now go. If I can go up there and just get a room until I come. So far.
Hey, give me outside. Alright. Okay.
Oh. Yeah, no, say I could have go up there and get a room until I come.
Oh, I'm gonna go get the room and I have the money.
No,
And then you
man,
have the money.
on a side place work, man, I can go up there and get the room, and when we're done, PM.
Send a look at up now. Still the money.
You just come from a machine, man. Me have it, man.
Oh, that's good, that's good.
You look good, though.
Always.
All night, me I think boy, you know, girl.
And I've been thinking about you too, baby.
You know, number around to load up a thing out of some man. Come
You
here.
don't know the particles, why you even pick right here, so.
Where you come, man? Okay. Listen. I like a thing when they do last time, you know.
Oh, really?
I mean,
Okay.
Hi, best friend. Nothing. You just coming to the blue, so what you mean? Yeah, congratulate me. What? What that mean? Left push boy, me around in the left. Where you talk about? Me around in the left. Me Rodney just left out of the house. Him gone on the road. You see Rodney over water commission, over guest house. Not telling a lie, pa, man. Me know why you come with this, you know, because we talked about this before, you know. Me tell us that we only can be best friend. So me don't understand where you come with now.
You can't believe what you want to believe, you know. Because I don't know why you feel like me I tell a lie.
So listen, listen. Oh, I want run near see over water commission. Benz for around this round put us where every man know. You lie, me no believe you. Rodney nah do that.
whew. The one thing about it, you know.
You satisfied?
I mean, what's that? I want another piece, but I feel like we have to come out of the room.
Actually, let's go.
So, how make you look, sir?
Why, I'm still confused as to why you bring me right here, so you could have choose something better.
So you, where you prove there? Where you prove there?
Alright, what you say me I just seen come back out of the place that while ago. You me send you one video? Alright. Me I'll send you one video on WhatsApp now.
Send me a picture. Cause you take a picture and send me. Alright, just send me a picture. Send me a picture on my phone. I can't believe Rodney really take my money and gone a guest house. I never seen. Just watch till him come back here. Me we are right as me away from him. Just wait till him come back. My alright.
Nothing wrong with this place, man. I don't say it's a quick thing they are doing, but even though we do all white time still.
What do you mean? I mean, I did enjoy myself, but I feel this ghost don't carry me back right here, so. You think my name Benz for nothing? And as a matter of fact, we talk about you living at woman, what the update?
Alright, just give me some time, man.
How much more time you need? How much more time? You think nobody know want me? Yeah, you think nobody know want me?
Yeah, man, son, man, just easy, man, and just
You need
relax,
to let her
man.
know because if she never did, we would have to come right here. So I'm tired of this.
Just be patient, man.
I am being patient.
Watch out, man. Patient man ride donkey, man, and fool man drive markets, Just be patient, man.
That even makes sense. But for killing more, I appreciate the fact that you give me the money because you never did have to give me all 250 one time. So I guess that made my day better.
Stop worry yourself, no, man.
Me been away upon you, you know. Me been away upon you.
Yeah, I tell you so down at the bank, the people them don't let it long, your bum but all the bank tell a girl long this up.
Oh, so you get through the bank loan, pay off the loan, and I'm not for about. Look for me. And looking at me, me look like idiot here? No, me look like idiot here?
But why?
Three a girl in my face? Huh? So after me take my money, when me tell you say my mother money for build up the bathroom, you take it and you're gone, I guess what, you dirty Benz? And I come tell me like what bank you gone? Don't worry yourself now, you're not have to bother lie, no? Cause to the prove here. You're not have to bother lie. No, you and Benz that. No, can you tell me for eat that? You see, it done, you know, it done. You just need to transfer back money to me account. No, I mean, I ain't no bag of talk.
Which money?
I'm tired of you now. I'm done.
Listen to me, me the wall you down and take money from you.
Oh, sir, I said I go now. I said I go now. I said I go now. I'm not going to argue with you now.
By the way, who send that?
No worry your head.
What do you mean don't worry?
No worry your head. What Benz have what me not have?
Ben's body.
Oh, so because, oh, so me not have Benz body. What me have?
Yeah, man, sir.
Oh, me shape like upside down carrot.
Yeah, man, sir.
Okay.
Yo, stop in that place, man. I'm bother the foolishness. Who send that? I mean, tell us, I don't have bank. Me I come from. You know what? How they see me I come from over there.
So, a photo shot this.
Wait now. You know how they see me I come from over there. I pass, and she said she thirsty. I'm just go over there, go buy one little water, cause I want a little bar down there so. Me and Benz saying I know.
So the picture not show you say you and Benz are hug up. Eh? The picture, you not see the picture?
So no normal people not hug up. People hug up.
No Benz. Cause any man me know we talk to Benz and Benz tell him over what was a dangerous something. Money have to run before you get where you get. So you can't tell me no about Benz, you know. Cause you don't just know me know Benz.
My girl, just stop in nice place, man.
Just let me give my money because I don't know argument.
Alright, me and Benz there and what?
Yeah, me don't know that. I have to confirm nothing. Cause I already know see and Benz there. Transfer got my money and I ain't talking with me.
My girl, easy yourself, man, and know yourself.
What me say? Transfer back my money.
You pass the place?
Alright.
You pass the place? Eh? What me tell yourself when time me chat to you? What me tell you say? Eh? What me tell you say? Yo, no, look for me. Here what I want. I take out some of my clothes them and I left your place. Because I feel like I can style me in a girl. I know what I said to you, you know. Oh. I must a little dirty boy Wilbur tell them something there.
Tell my friend you about your mouth, I'm not doing nothing.
A mama man that the man. Mama man.
Like you. Let me hate you. You know that mash up everything in there, you idiot. Non-workless dirty boy.
You so call me back, you know. You so call me back.
Go on, nobody don't want you. You workless like all of you a big woman. So Ben's a go get when she get here. And she left me key too. I think this I go so dirty boy. Come out. Come out. Dirty drunk. Oh, yeah, they. Come link me right now. When you come, I tell you. Alright, may I wait? Welcome.
What's up? You know hurt you.
Should I listen to you? I don't know why I never listen to you.
May I ask you one question, you know hurt you.
Worse than that him this time.
What happened? Talk to me.
See, you called me earlier today, right? And you tell me say you see him over Waterhouse
Yeah.
with Benz. And you send me the picture of him. And when him come, I confront him about it. But you know the part was hot. Him come to me in the morning and tell me say he might borrow one money from me to pay off his loan. And me have the last money when me say me go sing give my mother for help her bill her bathroom. And me send him it. And just if I know say a benzene my money go give. And then him a go lick me up on top of it.
You see, me I warn about him long time. Me I warn about him and tell us if you left the boy, you know. And you know, so me always there for you, you know, no matter what, you know. Me there for you through thick and thin. Me tell you so that the youth there is no good. You know mean you know good.
What am to you?
You mean what I'm to me, you know me love you already, so why you behave like that?
Only time and place to this right now, Wilbur. Me talk to you about this already. I'm gonna tell you say we are just friends. Me I go through my stress and tribulation and I will tell him about love. Me don't want no love. Keep it.
If you glad say me love you, that the youth the way that talk to no love you.
Well, at least me learn and me don't want no more love.
What you mean you don't want no more love?
How come you come for comfort me or try to look me?
See now that me I do a comfort, me a comfort you. Just stop worry yourself about that the youth there. Just make that big go. Just stop worry about him. Stop think about him. Cause right now me know him not think about you. You not hurt him, you know. Are you he hurt, you know? Stop waste your tears for him. I got
Stop.
always
You
there with
need
you.
to stop make this be about you.
Me nah make it be about me. But me just make you know. I remember for me the day before him, you know. And it look like you put him over me, you know. Alright, I'm comforting. Come with me, go to river. I'm gonna make you get ice cream also.
Okay then.
Come. You know somebody that never do nothing like when you do.
Me outside.
Hey, baby. Ooh. First, I fold the shirt that you used to sleep in. Then I pull the stars off of the ceiling. Take your postcard off of the bathroom window. And I try my best not to read what you wrote. Hey, all of my past into the trash it goes. But memories last and I just don't know. How do I let you go? I don't know. How do I let you go? I don't know. Like a ghost inside my soul, you are there when I'm alone. Oh, I try to forget you, but I just don't know how to let you go.
Alright, so you know, park your bike here, so and go get ice cream for me.
Alright, me over here so wait.
Yeah, so you can go and go sit down to my come.
Alright.
Hello,
Hi.
my name's Davi. What's your name?
You can call me Samantha.
Samantha, you're full of attitude, man. Warm you look more
Cause me
warm
know you, I'm in the mood right now.
I know, I know about no, but you just look stressed out and sad and warm you.
You sure up on me?
No, you show off, you show, man.
It's that bad then, but I'm alright man. Me not talk to strangers, so your approach did kinda scary, that's why.
She say hello.
Mm-hmm.
Then me make you look like me take out my vampire teeth them and bite you and show you up something.
No, well, sorry for the bad attitude, sorry.
I'm sorry for the approach and way we're not comfortable, but so you're there by yourself.
No, I may actually come with somebody, we come chill by the riverside and stuff, you know?
No, but I just see one day like right now.
Yeah, yeah.
So where you from? I never see you yet.
South.
South. Oh, wow. First time coming here.
No, not really. Second time.
Second time. Me like how you look though, me know. So, even though you look stressed out now, something somebody don't want to approach you. But it just scare me and try run me or
Me
something.
not scare you, me just tell you say me not really talk to strangers, so that's why I'm give you a
Me and a
bad
stranger.
start. Yeah, you are a stranger. I never see you before. I never talk to
But
you.
you know my name and I know for you. The only thing I don't know now is your number. And you can't change that right now.
So why you behave like that?
How?
You just a rush into things, so
I
you
know.
couldn't even ask me Instagram or my TikTok or something.
I use TikTok.
You use Instagram though.
I use Instagram.
You're
And
lying.
WhatsApp I don't
You're
use.
lying.
Maybe. We have to find out that.
Okay, I guess I can give you my number then.
So I can give it. Okay, perfect. Make sure you save it with some holy heart, you know.
Yeah, something else. So what's up?
You know, so I just come and river do come and chill out. Normal by myself, you know.
Okay.
So you're a person there.
I think I'm going by the ice cream shop, go and get some ice cream.
Oh. So what your plans here side here?
No, just chill by the riverside and then we know I'm going go wash off and lie down and sleep. I really have no plans.
We can make some plans with you if you know nothing else I do.
Well, make we get to know each other first.
Yeah.
And then we can see where we go from there.
No problem at all.
Okay. Oh, by the way, see my friend come.
Yeah, I'm over there now. Alright.
Alright, later.
Bye bye.
Oh, what? What you give me the idea for?
You know him?
No, him just see me and must say hi and stuff.
So you and him sit down so close, you don't know somebody and him sit down so close.
What him did over there, so and him pool come right here, so ask me where I'm from and me I tell him so me not really in a mood. What is for? Me can't meet people again?
Never say you can't meet people, but me don't want nobody to hurt you.
You bring me a river to enjoy myself and me enjoy myself and it's a problem.
So not that me bring you somewhere, so me have to make sure say you're good, me I protect you.
Me alright, you don't have to
Me
worry
don't want
about
nobody
me.
hurt you.
You don't have to worry about me safety.
Me not hurt you, you know?
You're there for stop me, this be about you. You're not here.
Alright, go have your ice cream and then go take a swim. So you give me number. You give me number.
Wilbert, stop it. Stop it.
Me just concerned.
It don't matter. It won't matter. We come to enjoy ourselves, right? So let we eat ice cream and then go swim.
But you just come out of one relationship and me know say you're sad, you know, so me no want you to jump to somebody else up picking. And me there say, you know.
Me can't meet people again or interact with people. And me and them not have nothing or me not get into nothing with them. Yeah, think too far.
From a little me always come at the river, you know. Yeah.
I want nice Superman. I one time ever come. It's not gonna make me second time.
Next time I come over here, I want to carry in one of them too. Okay. Because be a princess and so I have to treat her like a princess.
Boy, no matter what me do, me can't step up on the right.
What do you mean? Boy, you're a princess, so you have to get princess treating. So you say I'm not going to the water now or just a sit here.
No man, me go and cool off.
Boyfriend, why you play me here?
Stop. Wilbur, behave yourself. Sure.
But you say you want me comfort you, so I just comfort you. I have to make you smile, you know.
Relax it. You know I'm going to the water.
Benz. Benz.
Me I come. Oh wow. What's going on?
You know, say, look like say when we come out of the place, somebody say we want take a picture. I'm saying go give girl run a yard.
Which girl you run in your yard? Your woman?
She say man. Grown there a while ago I come in an argument with me and one bug or something. I just tell her say, oh yeah, I left a place Cause you can't style me,
So which part you go?
Eh?
Which part you go?
I don't know, but they appreciate me can come catch yourself for the night.
What you mean? Listen, you suggest leaving your woman one night time, right? I mean, only ask about it today because then I said nothing to me. Me never did say you could have moved in with me. And you leaving your woman means that you would have your place. Why you come out left the place, girl?
Yeah, man, so just relax, man. I'm just, as soon as I get a place, man, I can move out, isn't it? We just go finish what we started today, now. So you get your wish come true, man. Me I fear you know.
Wonder if I can call Wilbert and tell him something gas them. You know you're not gonna tell me nothing about me even one pressure him. I'm call him and you must say. Hi, best friend. Want me, arm? Oh. Anyways, you know it's a small favor I call for ask you about though. No man, no nothing big. You know, so they say like me I go cook and me gas done. You can't buy more gas. Weekend no give about the money when me get paid, man. Alright, thank you. That's why I feel love you saying. Alright, me I wait. Alright. Boy, that's why I feel love my best friend, so Jesus Christ. What would I do without him?
Manta.
We reach quick though.
What's up, good?
He pan in the south. I'm gonna take off because it's too hard to come off.
You really hard to come off with you, man.
Now wait, now come off.
To come off face, but I don't know that a plate of stone.
Along it served me fine, so probably it get rusty.
Alright, me I go get you and come back.
Alright, hurry up, come
Say, you
hungry.
did want up there on the road differently.
If you want to buy more food, you can buy more food.
So I cook your cook.
So if you want to save me, probably by the time you don't cook, me don't want it. So if you buy, you can buy more food.
Alright, no problem.
Alright, thank you.
You said no money.
Wait, and I'm supposed to ask her for money.
But you must say me and the girl left for the man. And I fear I can't use a take money off, So me not no money,
Well, you're supposed to try to find other source of income besides me because I was give me money. Where you think me I get money from? You put on fear, come ask me for me take up and give you.
So all this time I get money and I save nothing out of it. Eh?
No.
So all I care about if I just do here and nails and them something. You don't care about rainy day and them something.
If I ask her for the money for the meet ear and nails, that ear and nails it I go do.
So I see him say me give $1 million for put on
It would have put on, but me ask her for the something. Me I go do it. Me don't have any money.
I mean I don't have money.
Me not have it. Where you want me say? Me have it?
So nobody where can get money from.
What you mean?
So why sense about a sit down on phone and a text every day for? Eh?
So you said alright for me go find a next man and get money and bring in.
Me never say go find the next man, but you do what you need to do.
Find somebody text and get some money then me can't help you.
Yo, let me tell you this. Look
Let
for
me
me good.
go.
Look for me good. No, but I come go and come disrespect me. Not because me in a place I feel like I can disrespect me, The time I did it, yo, hear me, hear me, answer, man. Let me tell you this. You probably think me I know nobody nice, right? Me smile to play with. Let me tell you this. You see, anyway, if you get money, you get it and you carry come. Me not no money, I know. Me not nobody to get money from. What you want me do? Eh?
What you want me done? You ask me for money and me I come to you every day and I tell you some more money?
Some me tell some more money. Me always want money.
Me don't have it. So just like how you said me go find man, go back to your woman and get money from her.
Yo, hear me, I say. I go up on the road, and when I come back, yo, me I talk to you, man. When I come back, make sure say you have a good answer for me, in terms of money. You hear me I tell you?
Why not just go on and don't
Yo,
come
just shut
back?
up your mouth, no girl, and top chat to me, no man. You want solo something? Eh? The things that them call me dunce for nothing. Just make sure so when I come back, man, you have some money. Call one of your auntie them a foreign or something. A uncle something. Just not make me know the uncle. Just do the right thing. Stop looking at me, son, girl.
Hello? Not good enough. Me me that talk to somebody, right? And he in a one little situation. I'm inviting to stay one night and he end up for stay 1 week and a week turning a 2 weeks and in there, right? He not stop wait, sir? To some extent, yeah, but when I like they as somebody me that mess around with and the woman find out and she put him out and like me say, me they invite him for one night and one night turn into 2 day and it continue. Him not stop putting on for me. I'm a door happy and me can't get him out of my house. Alright.
Oh, sis, where you say I go on now? Where boy there? Yo, where you say boy there now?
I'm going from the road.
Alright, no, 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 joke to me, you know.
What is?
What you mean, so me I do?
Yeah, what you do? Because me not call you down here for this. Why you want to come put yourself in a trouble?
Yo, nothing now what happen, man. I just intimidation me carry so. From me carry come in, half it come out.
When you intimidate him, when you go tell people say my brother have gun.
Yo, no worry about that, man. Me deal with that. All me I say, no boy not supposed to lick me sister and get ready, you know.
I mean, understand. Say me calling and I call you to defend me, right? But not like this. This
Yo, no,
don't turn out good.
listen, man, no worry yourself about that, man. Me handle that. You understand?
You know, this don't make no sense. We don't want it go down the part there.
Me nah go shoot him. No worry
Not
about it.
sure you know, just tuck it back where it needs to tuck and just talk to him and make him come on.
Alright. So, but as in coming, you have to left right now. You don't joke thing.
So, yo, the little time I come out of the house, I can man come in here.
Yo, me done a long talking with you, you know. Me our brother, you know. And I come to tell us you have to come out, you know.
So,
Just come take your things and come out.
so my girl, what is for girl? Eh?
Yo, listen me I tell you say. Yo, nobody long talking. And nobody answer. Hear me I tell you say. I shoot me, she don't come shoot you, you know. Come you put your hand for my sister for. Hear me I say. Just come take your things and come out.
Everything good, man. Everything good. You see my belt?
It's nice to clean.
Me dey left one underpants, you know see it. My red underpants.
Yo, 5 bills to underpants. Just go buy underpants. Come out of the house, man. Yo, sis. Next time you don't take up no look dirty crosses, man, like that.
So you enjoy yourself last night?
Yeah, of course. Of course, me enjoy myself. You enjoy yourself?
Of course, I enjoy myself. But anyways, later I come for work, you come back?
Yeah, of course. As a matter of fact, me I'll carry some clothes for sleepover. If that good with you.
Why not? Would I love that? Would I love that? Would I love that?
Of course. So you want me to follow you go look taxi now?
No, sir. My best friend always come pick me up.
Best friend. What kind of best friend?
My boy best friend.
Boy, you and him in a business?
No, we know him long time. We're just friends.
So you not like you?
I mean, yeah, but we keep up on the low. We not do nothing. We never do nothing. We just take him as a friend.
Boy, me not like that, you know. Me not trust nothing when you and boy. Boy best friend turn in a boyfriend. Like, you just want to switch around a little bit. But I believe in
We
you
don't have
still.
that type of relationship there.
Maybe you don't have it with him, but you have the intention there for you. But you're a smart girl. I know you know do nothing for you.
Right, right. And if me and him doing something, me would make him pick me up.
Ah, well.
But if I must say, come.
Yeah, me general, big up.
How you going, General?
Yeah, man.
I'm Lisa. I'm going now.
Alright,
Give me a hug.
later.
You see you smell nice. No, but them man they smell your work, you know.
Later.
General.
Yeah, man, big up.
Pick up yourself, man.
Big up yourself, man.
Why you so late?
How that? Now you that all this year, bro.
Yeah, me and him get to know each other and now we start talk.
Talk like, what you mean, like, friendly talk, like you just find a new best friend or something. What?
No, when we replace you and me already have a best friend. We're dating.
You know a date? Like,
What
seriously?
wrong with that, Robert?
What you mean,
We
what
don't
wrong
have
with that?
nobody, so obviously me go move and me not go stuck in one place for long.
Are you me there wait for them?
Wait on for do what?
What you mean for do? You well and know say me love you already. And me a
Here
wait
you
for you.
go again and again and again. You go make we have this conversation every day?
You know how you
Dear
tell me this, how you make me feel? You're right off my heart like a car accident.
Wilbert, we talk about this already. We are just friends. Matter of fact, we are best friends. Nothing can come between if that's what you're about.
What you mean for that me a worry about?
Me not understand this. Me not understand. But you say you me should have talked to?
Of course.
Wilbert, we are friends. You know, so we as friends.
Yeah, me know that, but me there you feel through thick and thin.
And me appreciate that every day. I'm tell you, I'm show you some appreciate it. So one more you want from me? Eh?
Yo, right now, yeah, tell me so right now, you make me all not even want bother go to work all right now.
See now we came here work. You're making gun and you don't offer me for bring me a work. You really come with the foolishness?
I go to work, man, but this just mash up all of my meds. Son have sex already.
You're not telling me personal business. What you mean? Am I alive, you know? Am I alive? I'm going to tell you this
You
every
just
day
make
so we
sure.
can't be nothing more than friends.
You just make sure I ain't saying stop you and go in your bedroom.
What are you even talking about? This is my house. And me do whatever I want. This is my body. Me talk to whoever I want. So make that right. Came here work if you came here work. Me I go for my back because me don't know what kind of foolishness this is.
Baby. I say up on the road, me I go drink 2 beer with the youth them.
Oh, yes, sir.
Up on the road, I drink some beer with my friend them.
You left last night. I'm in there ask where you go. So what happened tonight? You want to go out again? Hmm?
Baby, I'm serious.
Just not go. Just stay here so and chill with me, babes.
Baby. School, man, I just 2 beer youth them I drink and circle back, man.
Alright, listen now. You see, if you go out there so, no come back in, you know. Cause me can't tolerate the foolishness with you.
Baby,
No, listen. Pick. Go out there and no come back or stay here so.
babes, you know, say 10 out of 10 out of the time them are you me up pick, but tonight me I drink some beer, man. Just cool now, baby, man.
Me tell you say now.
2 beer, baby.
Go on where you go. Remember me tell you.
Baby, just cool now, man.
If you go out there, don't come back in.
Babes, me bring one beer for you. Where you move, so?
You damn me need that too. Watch him papi show.
You don't know, say me, The girl picture when me not take. Me, you know how much time I have to take back over her picture because she just, you know, some people just
She
ask me.
just stubborn, I don't know why.
So she did come to you too?
Yeah, should he come to me and me did I take it first?
I worst thing me ever do.
Oh, yeah,
Hmm?
you know, I sort up there, me can get some there, please.
You know what, me not really said ice water though. So you can't buy my water on the road.
See, now always have water in the fridge and so.
The fridge not cool, so no water not in there.
Me drink a pipe water, see me, just. So, you
See,
know.
but me can't, you want Angela to buy my water out there, so?
So, me I go buy water and you have water, so that makes sense.
Yep, I come. Wait a second, I go get water. Oh, you need?
Yeah, baby, what happened?
No, I'm afraid I need some water.
Alright. I pray, my G.
Yeah, man, big up my father. Big
Yeah,
up.
bad dog.
You know what? I just remember me hurry up and catch a place for my mother. I'm here.
See, nobody want water.
No, I'm good, man. Thanks. Alright.
Give me my drink. Me thirsty. Babes, look how long I see you not even come hug me and say good night. Or how are you doing?
Actually, him ask me for the water, I'm have to pass you and go give him because him did say I'm really thirsty. But I don't know what
Nobody
all of a
thirsty.
sudden. Say it already?
No, babes, trying me forward. Me just want to like how it really look. You see, as me come in, it's like somebody just say, welcome, Davidan. So me I say, babes, I feel like me for moving.
I mean, moving so fast.
I should have faster. You should have there for help me moving. Babes, me as a man, me no waste time. For me find one good girl. You know, see you fast right now. I want to ring me for put on your finger.
I think things are move too quick. You know, feel like if we go step by step.
Step by step.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose we not going away. You have to run and jump. If we take step by step, we can move fast, baby. I don't think so.
So, I not like your idea. That. The last time we did that, it was a mess. It was a mess.
You moving with the man.
Him moving with me. Remember, say my own places, you know, so I don't need for going away.
Babes, don't say that. Me a different type of man from all the man that you deal with. Believe me. No, say you're a good girl. Listen me. If I'm here you talk, since I'm here you talk, I just see you alone. From forward, from the day I meet you, if I'm not top think about you. Believe me. Right now you have my heart. And if you ask me for my soul, I would probably give it to.
Well, it won't hurt for try next time. Because you know you have to have experience to learn. So, that back then was an experience. So, it can't hurt to try again. You feel like?
I remember say I feel close and if you even feel like send me there too far, you just set David go yard. And me have to left.
Well, why not moving then?
Babe, this is the best day of my life. Come give me one big hug.
Okay. Hey, you can cook.
What you want to eat?
I'm gonna eat some curry chicken with rice.
What rice?
Mm-hmm.
No problem, I'll deal with you right. Okay,
Thank you, baby.
Precious.
We're gonna be there.
Me I come when me done.
Alright.
I do, but.
What go on?
I ride down the whole place, decks like a bull, you know. Now me and Samantha, you can't imagine, say, me ride carry Samantha from we and nigger to the from work, you know. And carry come let her over here, you know. And when me a go, me just thirsty and want some water, and me a ask the girl, say, yo, give me some water. And the girl now want me come up her yard. Me a wonder, say, yo, how she a behave so? This is not Samantha. I know Samantha stay. So me I say, yo, why she had to tell me, say, yo, she give me money to buy water. And she have water up, but she have find every excuse. I force me, I have to force her, you know. To get the water, you know. I mean, I
Yo.
get it, but well, I know. You see me in a Paul go upstairs. She had to tell me, say, turn up right I do, yes, so. She a go for the water. You see, when I go some me with my no self for now, go move off. Tell me what happened.
She dash piece for you.
That kind of piece, man. There's a man in our house.
Come me bum pants, girl. Brother, me tell you this, man.
Yo.
You have to understand what you are doing, you know. And see it with your eye. And stop and see it with your heart and your feelings. Brother, listen to me and say, and shut your mouth now. Time for you shut up and listen. You have some woman right now out there. One knows say they don't want it, none at all. But they know say boy, the possibilities of getting you for do what they want you go fulfill all of them stuff there.
But I love Manta, you know.
Yeah, you love Manta, yeah, you better unlove her. You have to find out if you unlove her. Or hear what you do. See? For yourself. Because I understand what I go on. Because, you know, as tough as me be, me been there, done that. Me see one girl that me like and she don't like me for how me like her. What you do now? Find a girl who like you for you. All the bump them in your face, she like them. You understand me? I say? Then she now complain about certain things. And sometimes when I'm frownsy, she still gonna rate you.
But,
You understand?
me get what you're saying about a whole heap of things me do for Manta.
Yeah, you have to forget about it.
When I man left him that day, me did there with him, you know.
But now I tell you to cut her off, you know, because it's hard to cut her off. You can't unlove somebody. You have to find a way to move around the facts. You still love them and move on.
But that go hard for do. Remember say me and her work together and you know me I go feel for know so me I see her down there with
All
you
right.
and dog.
So what you continue to feel like if you do then? Hurt yourself? Eh?
Me feel like things go get better.
You know, yo, get something, man. Wake up the
Man,
man.
say anything you want you have to work.
Yo,
hard
wake
for
up the
it.
man. My box on yo, wake up the man. You asleep, bro. You understand me? I say, look upon you now. I come here boy when normally when I'm there, so I would have vibe and would have nice to go drink and I easy with self. And I think some boy here we have got taboo or them place that look more rated. But I'm there now, I said to myself, say, you know, leave your friend and next virgin, you know. Because you make it get a take away, bro. MOB, money over. You understand me? I say, I left it there, so. Do what myself do, bro. You want a drink?
Yeah man, me take a drink. Me put it on the building.
I'll put it on for bill.
No, you just ask me if I want a drink.
Put it
so
on
you
free bill?
Yeah.
You must say sick in your head, so you not work. Eh?
So now you offer me a drink.
Half a drink, I say, hold a drink. It's a big difference. Read between the lines.
So you like your birthday gift so far, baby?
Yes.
You like your carrot? God no, babes, I'm a queen or something, man. Me have to make you enjoy your day, you know. See, I look come up a room span, me I carry. Me go up on stage, go dance and sing.
Yeah, cause even though I appreciate the settings you bring me out and you know, so little more me have to hot up myself. Year one do just so feeling them as so more and do back it too.
Baby,
Put on so
no worry about nothing. Me fling money, me fling one brick bust ahead for that. Believe me, man, me have to take care of your sweetheart. Anything you want, just say it and me turn on genie. Cause you know you're my queen, anything you want, you get that.
Alright, yeah. Fancy him ice cream by my cheap pops, but kind of my machine over there, see, them never have money.
That's why I like come over here, you know.
I prefer, you know the machine up right side of where name? Eyebrow? Do you remember?
Yeah, the one there downtown better. I hear boy that. My man that day.
No, wait.
That the ice cream, yeah? Nice.
This can go on. What's your co-worker this?
Kind of co-worker.
You mean you tell me so I work in this after your co-worker this lunch at the pan? Who is you? Who is you? No,
I'm
no,
a man.
this I get out.
How are you?
What? Who is she? Who is she? What she mean by?
Baby, I don't know this woman, you know. Found this woman, you follow me up in this mad woman. Woman, me nah no silver.
You want me to show
Me nah
your
no
mother over
silver.
there? You want me to show your mother over there? I can't put up this dirty wall.
Baby, get it.
No, hold on there.
What the fuck said that go on here, so?
Hold on there. I want to go on here, so.
Tell her what go on here, so. Me show your mother over here.
No girl, that can't jump on man, so. What really I go on here, so?
You mean your man?
No, you can't jump on my man like that.
Stop it, let me tell you, this is my man. I'm gonna put
No girl, you have to go lock chat and film me man this. I lie you tell. I film me man this. What you talk about? What they go on here, so?
stand up like a man and tell her.
What go on here, so?
I don't know it's a woman here that me I tell
You
her.
know me not gonna argue with her. You know where you need to go and do? Take your stuff them. Come and take your stuff them, but I'm
Come on,
not
you're gonna want me to know you don't still cause problem in my life like so.
Come on.
Samantha, wait now. Manta.
What?
Wait now. Just calm down.
Me no want hear nothing from you right now. When you gonna say to me, cannot calm me right now.
Just calm down now.
Why?
You don't fear be so loud on the plaza. You should have see this and just walk away because I been not tell you. Me always I tell you things and you not listen to me and you just feel like what me I tell you say, I know nothing that make sense.
I don't want you for right now, Wilbert, and that is it.
Like seriously? Samantha.
Yeah,
You have some explaining
yeah,
to
on your
do.
birthday, woman, this a cross, this girl away follow me, yeah, me ruin your
No,
birthday.
listen, I'm not blind.
Baby,
This
a
is my
your
birthday.
birthday.
I mean, no, say my birthday. Start explain.
No, me no know him. He just a start me. He come like when you put one curse on somebody, he come like me shadow. Everyone me come see me like back of me eye.
Hold on there. Have sense. Look for me. The girl see if you can take out the things in front out her house.
Yes, what
So,
kind
I'm at she mad there, so.
babes,
She answer
yes, I
mine.
idiot that. Or if you walk down somebody and a hello, I saw my ice cream in the want and me no give him none. I have that.
You know what? I can't deal with this.
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
you go on with you?
Baby.
Come.
Baby.
Come.
Baby, oh yeah, baby.
What's up? Big excitement just take place a while ago.
I just go get her some Mrs. Manta around the sock like she not gonna send. She just rage past me. I will make a call to her. She not even answer.
Just go and catch her man. We do a woman over there, sir.
What?
And then Samantha will tell me say she don't want to hear nothing from me.
So,
A 2E that she pick up in her life, you know. And me they will really love and respect her, you know.
but you and Samantha good. Look how close to them over every single thing. And not even know say Samantha have man. Because this whole time I see you and Samantha, I swear say when I did more than that for
No,
the case now.
like
Yes, Samantha have man. And man we have woman.
like me been a try for work on if you make that big case, but Samantha now look my way.
Why some people just don't know they are missing. Some people just why I don't know.
If her mother tell her say like me is a good person for her and she still not meds me. Me no know why problem still and me did it for her.
I mean, everybody just feels say, uno together like that because every single thing are two peas in a pod, like everywhere pee, cluck.
People always ask me, you know, and say I'm a friend. I don't know nothing else.
For me, so this whole time is worse another. Honestly. Me, and that's why I say certain things to you because me just assume say, you and Samantha did more than that.
There's certain things like what?
Well, I mean, you're a nice person, so I mean, look bad and all of that. So, I mean, would I said these things before,
I feel you have something to hide. You have something to hide from me, man.
I wouldn't really say something that I'm hiding. I just didn't feel like it was appropriate to say it before. But, I'm really sorry about someone's situation, guys.
Hold on, let me ask you something. I want to try to understand something. I wonder if I want me to think if I really that I go on for true.
I mean, maybe whatever you think that may I try to say, but I guess we just don't know if to say it. Look.
I just feel like say you have a crush for me.
What? Well, I guess you can say that, but it's the case where we just always just assume say you and Samantha, on the day, so I wouldn't really tell you that.
You know, by saying this to me, like you actually make me day like you make me a smile, you know.
Well, that's good, because when I come and see you, I never like that. You deserve better than that. You don't deserve fishy just push you to the side and see how good you treat her. And for the fact that she have one next man and this whole time you treat her so good, like, why she just dismiss you?
So where I don't know.
I mean, not do anything. We don't have to sit down and we'll talk about it.
Of course.
Mommy,
Yeah.
come here.
Um,
Mommy, tell me if this right. After David and left me and David and left out of the house this morning, and him say I'm going to work, and as you know I work me gone, because I don't know where else to go. Me say me I go for my break, and me say me I go for chili pops to eat one ice cream because I'm tired of food. You're not there for tell me at home me see up there with woman.
you if you tell me I don't know how you will see the person.
And me say if you could have bored hurt when you see me bored hurt, mommy.
So what happened? Tell me what happened. What definitely happened?
David and their chili pops with the woman after and tell me saying gonna work. David, he might cheat for me. He might cheat for me.
Boy, so I make you create excitement?
After me take up this boy and me moving with him on less than a week. Me feed him, me clothe him, me make sure him good, me make sure him ear clean and him go work and him nice. And at this him turn around and do me.
You should have done more film.
Me come and say for you comfort me, you know. Me could have gone on me yard and I say me come and say for you comfort me. And you gonna tell me foolish and me yes, me.
Yes, you should have done more film. You should have done a lot more film. The reason why you don't do more film is because he's an idiot. Because he never listened to me. Hello. You're my daughter, you know, and I always encourage you, but you always think that everything me tell you are foolishness. And because you're big now and on your own, me can't say nothing to you again because you know it's it all. Anyway, you know better know it all today. Watch me. You did there with Rodney. You left Rodney and go there with Bounty Killer. You come here with Wilbert, we a good man. Wilbert, a good man.
Everything about Wilbert?
Wait, hold on.
You don't know Wilbert on the behind closed door now?
I do not want to know. To me, he look like him as somebody who that take care of you and love you.
Look like.
And him act like. Yes. Me know say looks is deceiving, but the way he approach me, you can't say saying grew up in a good yard with good parent. But no. You want Davidan, you want Rodney. You left Rodney gonna Bounty Killer. Me sorry for you. So you go manage now. David they mad you. David they mad out your head now. What me fi do? You go Bellevue me? Any young girl where me have, where they not listen to me and they want take up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 man and do not listen to me and go keep one. Me sorry for you.
Well, this me take up on myself.
What you mean? How will you take up on yourself? So you never, hello, my daughter, me love you, but me have to tell you the truth. You should have listened to me. From me, see that boy Rodney come here. Me know say my crosses. No, you left. Lord have mercy, me sorry for you. Me go pray for you. But you will get over it. You're young.
Me come and say you comfort me. I let that them boy.
Me a comfort you. What you want me to do? Tell you for your bad word.
What Wilbert to be behind closed door? At least tell me said life goes on.
Me if you tell us that life goes on, you must be mad. No, listen, my daughter. When you don't listen, you have to learn, you know, from your mistake them. Me sorry about everything will happen. But I hope you pay attention next time to whatever me I say. True, we are mother, you know, no feel say, no feel listen to it. But don't worry yourself. I just want a little punishment that whole heap of people go through worse than what you go through, you know. But you will get over it. Don't worry yourself. Here? Alright.
The boy they come out of my house today, you know. You must leave today. Alright. You watch me.
So, babes, realize that at work, you know, Samantha still ask if you do things to you, right?
Because, like, I don't want to try to disrespect her. I just want to try still have her aside, but not close like how it did be before.
But babe, you have to understand, so, you know, things different now, you know. Now you actually have one woman who actually care for you and they take care of you. So, me honestly, I feel like I say you're still supposed to just have her. I mean, you said no, like the set up boy thing when she have with you, that can't work. It cannot continue.
So, you would like me to tell her if you just hold off this then.
Yeah, because things are different now. Now you actually have a woman.
Alright, here, babe. Like, really and truly, I have to do what make you comfortable. And you there here for a long time and she say she never respect me like
Not
how
at
me did
all.
respect her. So I have to do things with my partner, please. So really and truly, I go see her when she come to work or is either I call her. But I feel like if you do it face to face is much better.
I
So
mean,
I gonna just make sure know because I have to do it to make you happy.
well, whichever way you think best, because you know her the most. Honestly, I would prefer for you not to see her or interact with her or deal with her. But if you think the best way and the most respectable way is to basically tell her to her face, then fine. But things have to change.
Yeah man, I'm gonna make things change man. For you everything is possible.
Okay.
But here me I gonna know. I feel like say mother want to go have pizza.
Okay.
So I go get more money at the machine and come back.
All right, babe.
Alright, so Catch this for me, man.
Alright, no problem. Eh, what you do over here? See me call the phone.
Alright, come here, me talk to you.
No. So why you ignore me?
I have something to say to you.
What? Who did?
You see the closeness we may did have, we not gonna have that the closest anymore. Because you know say, big up me general, me did have a really, really good love for you. And you never did a show me but no love at all. Anything at all you beg me for do, me do. So you see, SOB what me normally be for you, that not gonna do it anymore. Because I find a nice person who there for way me want. You understand? Somebody where give me back the love me want. And when you and Rodney left, I'm did it for you, I try comfort you. And then you find another man. You know me feel about all of that. And you know so me did love you, Samantha. And you never did a look back towards me. And your mother evil and make you know so me is a good person. So me just want you to know say me can see and hear you. You understand? But the closeness, you not gonna do it anymore because I have to do the right to make my girlfriend feel happy.
You done? You done?
You finish talk?
So this is the reason why you ignore me?
Yes.
So Wilbert, you really gonna make because of one girl, you're gonna end all of this you have? But which girl are you talking about? Is somebody I know?
Of course, there's somebody we know. Dave here. What we work with. What we do the photography work with.
Who? Davia?
Yeah.
I said, me you talk about this girl, you tell me say you don't like this girl. You know I must joke here. I must joke here. You serious?
Big up yourself, G. They are still them come to get some money for me and my girlfriend. Cause me I go cheat her. So see you at work tomorrow.
What happened?
Why? I don't know. I don't know myself so. Oh, bad blessings as I follow me so.
We I said, don't say that. Don't say that.
Me salt with man.
Eh?
Man.
What you mean? What happened again?
I'm alright for say again. You know, so me just say Wilbert tonight town. After yesterday, me and him good. We talk on the phone. He drop me at work. Boom, me I come up here. See him like town. And he stop me. I say, this can't work. Only to find out, I tell him so we can no longer be best friends. Certain things he usually drop me at work, he can't drop me at work. In that case, some food can't give me can that me want something he can't do it. Guess what I'm gonna tell me? Because he find woman. What me do in a life, he deserve that treatment here. Me why you laugh? I see the situation this man. Serious.
Because you did not listen to me. You never listen to me, my daughter. I know say me talk to you hard sometime, you know. But at the end of the day, if you look into it, you know say a facts man they tell you. Reality of life. Now you lost your best friend because what? You take him for friend zone. Now you have to face the consequences. I'm sorry for hear.
I don't know.
But what are you going to do? Him already gone. When me did I tell you say Wilbert was a good man. He's still a good man anyway. But you understand what I say? Him a good man. Him always take you out, treat you good. Him would do anything for you. But guess what? You take him for granted.
Mommy,
It's like you put him one side and you park him. That means you neglect him. No. You have to go face the consequences by yourself.
Mommy, all along me I play a short eye because me never see more than just a best friend. You can't really blame me. You can't really blame me.
No, my daughter, who me for blame?
I don't know.
And you me have to blame because you did not listen to me. If you did listen to me from long time back when me they talk to you. So the crosses them way I pick up. And I know good man them. Wilbert is a good man. No. You refuse to listen. I know you hear me because you're not deaf. But you do not listen. You know do what me say. You choose what you want to choose and tell me say, me not fi choose for you, me cannot choose for you. So me leave you on your own. So face the consequences now, my daughter. Sometimes you have to go through things in a real life to understand reality. Me sorry for hear what go on, but I just say go hush. But you know me always love you. Come here. Let me give you a hug. Oh, you know say me love you already. You hear? Me love you.
Sorry, I never really listen to you, but I guess who feels it knows it, right?
Thank God you start learn, but never too late for your shower rain. Maybe God will send somebody else in your life where you fi understand and know say other one day you did fi choose. You understand? Come.
Sir,
We go inside.
These are strange times. Spent so long, so disconnected. I'm trying to get to somewhere real again. And on a dark night, I came to you like an open question, reaching out for something true, and then you speak back to me in a melodic line. You speak back to me, moving in and out of time. And I know that you are drawn by the same force that pulls me to. When you speak back to me, I know you feel me like I feel.
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
I want to pick up the phone. Get up my phone. Get close up, man. Get close up, madam. Yeah, man. From when this man money, I follow me. Get close up.
You're better than that.
Yeah, which one? I know. See, I say it. No, man. Me, I give a hint, so you're supposed to take your hints, them.
You hear? No, you should have do more film. The reason why you don't do more film is because he's an idiot.
Big up yourself, my G.
They give this, man. They give this. Yo.
Big up yourself, my G.
Yo, high five. Do your thing, you know what I mean? So it's like you're showing back the same type of so here what you can do. You really make say come on girl, make you really do me this billboard. And try hug you up. And you stop her. Pick up yourself, my G. Come on, pick up yourself, my G.
Put on for me, Bill.
Like what you want. Alright. Yeah. You know that. Alright, put it on bill. Ready now? Sit down back, Papa. Ready? Action.
Move on. I see man a ball like a some girl, you know.
Listen. Give me close up. Give me close up. Sorry, no. Yo, that's hard to do that, bro.
Yes, sir. Alright, may I forward? Give me a few. May I forward?
Yo, give me my room, man. Give me my room, man.
Yo, but how can I style it?
Give me my room, man. Yo, brother, I'm tell you, say, yo.
Go ahead. Yo, not let the girl clone you, brother.
Yeah, man, give me my room, man. Yo, me, I was bad man, I'm wicked that movie.
No, bro, a girl clone you, dog. No, brother, I don't like that. Some of my friend.
My girl, when I
What
ready.
is the altar? Tell me, yo. Carl, Carl, sit down. We will put that here. Carl Wilbert. Yo, Carl Wilbert will put you up on the Bible. Yeah, Alton. And him, the most saying, no, good. Yo, Alton. Tell me, yo. Carl Wilbert.
Yeah, very much.
Dark like midnight and dark like yesterday. What you talking about? What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Dark like last night and dark like midnight, you know. Man, know you got some food chat. And me then call the moon. Don't chat to me. Yeah.
Come.
Some stupid chatting.
Yeah, we're done with chewing a mama. I'm here.
Yes.
Come.
We're discussing what we've cooking.
No, why you cook me right head, man? Yeah, why just why you cook? Because more I any man will
Just
cook.
let me say that come. Me don't
Yeah,
come.
man. That just disrespectful. This was disrespectful. You know that disrespectful, though. That's why I be saying.